Other one, is your boy Reese Kion. I'm playing right now, Ratchet Clank Rift Apart. I found this glitch, but I don't know what's glitching on what, but, we need help from here. Just, like, it should be, like, this should not be here. Like, there's no actual that climbing stuff when you have to climb on the, thing. So, mostly, this is just a bug or a glitch in this game. Because I was looking for all the stuff dies. But I think this glitch could be a very rare glitch I found. So yeah, it's a very rare glitch, guys, and found this today, guys, and hope you enjoy it and do it.